Ever notice your dog yawns right after you do? Well, it's not just because they're sleepy. This is called contagious yawning. And guess what? Dogs actually catch yawns from their humans. Scientists think it shows dogs feel a connection with us. Kinda like empathy. When you yawn, your dog's yawning back like, I get you. It's their way of bonding, or sometimes just calming themselves down. So next time you yawn, watch your dog carefully. You might just start a yawning party. Now you know the science behind those cute yawns. Try it out and let me know in the comments if your dog yawns back. Hit subscribe for more pet magic.